we've been spending the whole day at Universal Studios. We are going to be posting an LA vlog, and this is going to be a separate vlog, so if you haven't seen that, check it out. But otherwise, sit back and enjoy a little sneak peek at what Universal Studios look like. Spoiler alerts are coming, so heads up for that, but hope you guys enjoy watching our day at Universal.
Get you right on.
Thank you, Jimmy Fallon.
Oh, hey there. You made it. Welcome to the Universal Show.
So, have your cameras ready. And featured a character by the name of Donald Wicked, as well as a motion picture of the line right now we're on the way to Skull Island. His Academy Award winner.
Oh, hell no. Oh, Jacqueline, tonight. Oh my god.
Cars can be the most expensive item in a scene of a movie or television show because sometimes you have to have multiple versions of the vehicle to complete an action sequence. That's the version that the stars drive throughout the production. Doesn't get a scratch on them. Always clean. Each one of these vehicles will have up to 5 or 6 different versions for the stunts. Oh, that water looks wet. Oh yes. Oh yes. Woo, that's crisp, baby. You see the looks of their faces when they top the water with, oh! We are excited to sound. Well, okay, there's that. Ladies and gentlemen, please remain seated. Keep your arms, legs, and heads inside your chair. I think. Oh yes.
Wow.
Please come on, tell us how they got this. Like, I don't see this at all. This man's a free professional. What's that?
Oh shit.
I heard that. If you wanted to witness you can face him. Yep, Betty Sweetie is funny if she brought this light shooting thing to the show. Sounded like Norman Bates. Now, ladies and gentlemen, this makes this incredible scene. The airplane crash site set is a perfect example of a set.
Tough beer.
Krusty, let me show you what I've been working on. Very exciting.
It's so freaking sick. Cheers. That's so cool. Hey, Rob, did you hear that? No. The girls, I feel like asking for a bite. Jacqueline. Oh my god. Here we go.
Just Potter!
Now then, you're about to enter the defense against the dark arts classroom.
Projects for capture.
What's she trying to do? Remember, it's got coming down.
Well, move along then. Otherwise you'll miss the match. I wish I were coming with you.
Chapter 2, where he comes with a smile.
Give me a bit dodgy. And we haven't lost anyone yet. Not this week anyway.
Hold on tight. Orania excellent.
Thanks everybody. You were brilliant.
Jacqueline, what are you doing?
Heading down to the lower level.
And what do we have to do to get there?
Take three really long escalators.
3 huge escalators.
Combat machines, hard-hearted, battle-tested, and masters of camouflage.
Indicate Decepticons are swarming the city. This is a coordinated strike. We are facing a heavy, sustained attack.
General National Command briefing. Monitoring our defenses with
Please notify a lone crew member and we will be happy to help.
Because we spent that extra money and got an express pass. Yeah, we're like really big ballers.
Why you always lying?
Actually, we were on the Jurassic World ride and then it malfunctioned, so we were stopped on an incline for like 10, maybe more minutes. Our necks were hurting so bad going against gravity. But anyways, at the end of the ride, they gave us a free express pass, so we are checking out the Kung Fu Panda. Literally #1.
I hate to break it to you, but we're doing a Kung Fu Panda show. Say what? Says everybody here, right? Especially these guys in front and maybe that family over there. They're obviously Kung Fu fans.